I am Shan. If you are new to this channel, I am Shan, or you can call me Ria if you are a returning subscriber. Hey, wow, Kwan. Welcome back to another video. Today, let me do this video for the entrepreneurs that they are looking to start a hair business in 2024. It's not too late, okay? You can literally start your business anytime, any day. I know you watching this video, you must have been making research in regards to your business. Two things that you need to know in regards to starting a hair business is that, okay, for China, the first thing I will tell you, since you're looking for contact, make sure you have a WeChat account. And guys, when I give you this contact, do not go and add these suppliers at the same time. WeChat is going to block your account. I'm just a little bit of a warning, okay? WeChat will block your account when you add too many contacts in the same day. And then you need to have a WeChat account. If you don't, you can check videos on YouTube, or I will try to make one so you can create your own account. Anyways, by the way, before we continue, please you guys subscribe to my channel, help me to grow this channel. And then you can save this video, you can always refer back to this video later in the future. You can share with your friends, family, anybody that is about to start a business, and you can give this video a thumbs up for a wider audience. All right, so I will share some free contacts with you guys, but if you need the ones that I have personally used and they are like exclusive, you have to reach out to me. Check the description box, you will see a number. Add that number on WhatsApp, and then we can talk, and I will give you those exclusive contacts at a fee. Okay, help me, because I am a student, I have to feed. Okay, so yeah, without any much ado, and those contacts are contacts that I have bought hair from, I have ordered for my customers from those contacts, and I can vouch for them with my life. Okay, but yeah, at the end of the day, I'm giving you free contacts, so the least you can do is to also help me by supporting. Let me tell you guys, hair market, hair business is one of the biggest industries. Like, people are making big bucks, people are cashing out, people are making so much money selling hair, especially in Africa. Let me not talk too much. Africans, Black Americans, it's crazy. It is really insane. People make so much money. The first contact is Janice. I don't know if it's Janice or Janice Hair. Okay, they have a WhatsApp number. You can add their number, and then you can talk with them, right? Some of them, their moments are on, they post on their moments videos. You can check those videos to see, and then you can communicate with them and see if what they have is what you want. The next contact is Lush Fame Hair, right? You can add them. They don't have moments, but you can add them and talk with them. The next contact, I have personally used this contact, and when I tell you their hair, it's really good, is AA Tianxi Hair Factory. They are located in Zhoushan, Henan, China. Add them, and then you can talk with them, right? Their hair is really affordable. The next hair is Lily Hair. I don't know it's called, the name is in Chinese, I can't pronounce it, I'm sorry. Yeah, so they are located in Guangzhou, and you can add them and then check their moments, see the videos and the pictures they post, talk with them, and check, and you can compare prices with different manufacturers or companies. The next one is GX Beauty Hair. Their moment is on. There is no WhatsApp number. You can add them, go through the contact as usual, and then communicate with them properly. Okay, the next contact is Amy or Bossing Hair. You guys, I have used this lady. I've ordered hair from her before, and I was really satisfied, so you can give her a try. The next hair is Falida Hair. I think their WeChat channel or moment is on. You can go through and then communicate with them. And then the next one, we have Truly Hair or Obama Hair. They are located in Guangzhou. their moments that there's nothing, they don't sell hair on their moment, but if you tell them this is what I want to order hair, they can attend to you. And most of these suppliers or hair companies, they really appreciate bulk orders. When you're buying in wholesale, like large quantities, you get really cheaper prices, or they give you some percentage off, right? The next hair is also bossing hair. So I am calling bossing hair twice because some of these factories or companies, they have like agents that help them to market, right, to reach a wider audience, you know, just to market their products, advertise. So some of these people, they are agents, some of them they are manufacturers, right? So yeah, just add them. The bossing hair, this is in Banjo, their moment is on, add them. The next one is Lily Hair. Lily Hair, they sell human hair. I have used them before, I have ordered from them, and their hair is really nice. So go through their moments and see, you can order from them. Then the next contact, this is very useful for people that buy in wholesale. Okay, I can see a phone number. I think their WhatsApp is on. It's called Wholesale Cheap Human Hair, right? So you can add them and then you can communicate with them and see. The next contact is a hair wig company, or Sarah. So yeah, their moment is also on. You can communicate with them. Okay, for this contact, their hair are quite cheap, they are quite affordable. A contact by Chen Yu Chen. They sell at the Beauty Exchange Center in Guangzhou, and yeah, you can add them. The next contact is Lin. Okay, Lin is in Shandong, Qingdao. So they sell really good hairs, and then go through the moments, talk with them, and yeah, see what they have. And then the next hair we have Ryufa Hair or Alice. Okay, this one, their WhatsApp is on, and then you can add them on WhatsApp or on WeChat, right? So yeah, the next contact is also Alice Hair. Like I said, the explanation I just gave before, so that applies here. Different agents are selling for this hair company, Alice Hair, so you can add. And the next hair is Alice AAA. Still Alice Hair, add them. And but this, they are located in Henan or Zuchang. The next one is also Alice Hair. Yeah, a lot of Alice Hair. Just keep adding them, just compare prices, you never can tell. Okay, so just add them. The next hair is Hair 012 or Hair GX Beauty. You can also add them and see what they have. The next hair is Jack. The next contact is Jack Hair. They are in Guangzhou. You add them and see what they have. The next hair is Jessica Artificial. So they sell artificial human hair. You add them and communicate with them. So these are all mixed, vendors I'm giving you guys. It can be for human hair blend, raw hair. Just communicate with them and tell them what you want. The next hair is Miss Shirley. You add them and see what they have. Contact is on the screen. The next hair is LV Hair. You can communicate with them, add them and see what they have for you. Okay, and also guys, before you start this hair business, please make sure that you have a little bit of knowledge. Make a little research, right? You know the thickness of hair. Do you want double drawn hair? Do you want raw hair? Do you want Vietnamese hair? Do you want human hair? Do you want synthetic hair? All these things you need to know, because suppliers are going to ask you, so so they don't send you rubbish. The next hair, I don't know the name or Wanlu, but the number is on the screen. Add them and you can talk with them. The next hair is Sick Region or Sasa Hair. You can add this contact, you guys, and communicate with them, right? The next hair is also Sick Region Hair. The same, just like I said, different agents are marketing for them. The next hair is Hair Liu Fully Fiber. Yeah, I don't know. yeah, I think they are specialized in fiber hair. They make fibers, you know, different hair fibers, so you add them. The next hair is VIP sister hair. So this hair, for it to be VIP, y'all should know that it's a very, you know, reliable contact. You can add them and then compare prices and see what you want. The next hair is Aya hair. They have a WhatsApp number, so I'm gonna put it up for y'all so you can see and then thank me later. The next hair is Anchi hair. So you can add them and then see what they have, varieties of human hair, and then make your choice. The next hair is Alan hair. You do the ad and then communicate with them, okay? The next hair is Dark Falls. That's such a name. So you can add them and communicate with them. And the last but not the least is Tracy Truly hair. So you add them and then see what they have. Guys, I have very like the exclusive contact. Listen, when you sleep on them, one contact can be a game changer for your business, for your hair, you know, importation business. So if you want those exclusive contacts, like I mean really good and cheap, quite very affordable, and the quality. Anyways, yeah, let me stop talking right now. But if you need those contacts, you know what to do. There is a number below. Add that number and then you can talk with me. Just help support me. I'm a student. Yeah, I'm hungry. But anyways, yeah, just help and support me. You know, I'm trying. So yeah, I really appreciate it if you know, try to support by buying those contacts. It's quite very affordable. Like, it's not that expensive. So yeah, you can add the number and talk with me and see if you want the ones I've used, and I can 110% recommend to you to buy and to use. Let me know. Anyways, without much talk, this is the end of the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings are all from life.